Hey there guys, Abners is here, and today we are checking out the TRIBIT Stormbox Blast 2.
Oh yeah.
So this is what we got from our box. We have our user manual. We have our plug. And we have our TRIBIT Stormbox Blast 2. Let's open it up. It's a big boy. It's a big boy speaker, man. So this is our TRIBIT Stormbox Blast 2. This speaker is a big boy. It really is a big speaker. This really rivals the size of maybe a JBL Boombox 3 or 4. For the weight of this Bluetooth speaker, we have 7,150 grams. That is how heavy this speaker is. It has explosive 200 watts output. We have dynamic lighting on this side of the speaker. We have an IP67 rating for the dust and waterproof. A 30-hour playtime. We also have TWS pairing. If you have two of these, you can pair those and even have more output. So that's 200 watts times 2, 400 watts output possibly. So we have 5 drivers right here. We have 1 subwoofer, 2 mid drivers, and 2 tweeters. We have X-based technology as well, and Bluetooth version 5.4 for our TRIBIT Stormbox Blast 2. We also have the Tribit App, so we can configure every setting, every nook and cranny we can set for this bad boy right here. So for this one, we have 200 watts output when it is plugged in and 180 watts max when we are using the batteries. This will give you 30 hours of playing time if you are using 50% volume and with the lights turned off. And there's 2 ways to charge our unit here. There's a barrel plug, so you can charge it for 5 hours to full charge, or you can also use any Type-C connector. If you use Type-C, it will take longer to fully charge our speaker, maybe about 12 hours. We have passive radiators, base radiators on both sides. This one and on the other side. This is so heavy, man. There. To properly produce bass for our speaker. On the back, we have our inputs here. So there's a rubber cover. All you need to do is peel this off. This rubber cover helps with the IP67 rating for this speaker. Of course, we have Tribit branding on the cover as well. We have our barrel jack input here for charging. We have mic 1 and mic 2 input for normal mics. So those are for 6.35 mm plugs. We have volume for the mic 1 and mic 2. We have a reverb option here for your mic. We have auxiliary port. This is the Type-C port, which we can use for charging, and an output for a USB-A on this side if you want to use the power bank function of the speaker. So you can charge your device here. We can also do karaoke when we are using this speaker because we have mics here and possibly you can plug in your guitars as well. So just remember to put this back as snugly as possible. We also have Tribit branding on the handle. So this handle is not detachable. This is all mesh on the front with the Tribit branding as well. So under the speaker, we have this flat rubber feet so that our speaker stays in place. So let's go to our controls here on the top. This is our battery indicator. The 4 dots on the left, power on and off, Bluetooth pairing, volume down, volume up, play pause and skip track button, the circle one. One press to play and pause, press twice to forward to another track, press 3 times to go back to the last track. This is our light feature. This is for our X bass, and this is for the TWS pairing. Now let's go and try to charge our Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. So if you're here on this part of the video, it is also advisable to download the Tribit app now so you can follow along.
quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back what we used to.
Okay, so this is how the microphone sounds from the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. So we are currently using the wireless microphone, which you could also purchase from Tribit. We are about 50% in terms of the microphone volume and 20 to 25% reverb. So these options are available at the back of the speaker. As I showed you earlier, you can adjust it to your liking on the back. Okay, so this is how the mic sounds on the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. Test mic, test. So there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. As you have seen on our review and testing, this Bluetooth speaker packs a punch in terms of the maximum power output, because we can juice up to 200 watts when it is plugged in and 180 watts max when we are using the battery. In terms of being a value for money, this speaker really stands out, because if you compare it with the pricing of a JBL boombox or a JBL Extreme, you also get the app features which this comes with, but almost half the price of JBL. So not to belittle any of the features that comes with the JBL, of course that brand JBL is still JBL, but if you want value for your buck, this brand, the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2, you will never go wrong with this one. We have TWS feature, and as I said, you can also use the microphone, which you can also purchase from Tribit. You cannot do that with the JBL boombox or Extreme, because they are the ones which almost the same in terms of pricing and the size of the speaker and the wattage. Which is why we are comparing the Stormbox Blast 2 to those speakers. You cannot plug in any microphone for those speakers. On this one you can, so that way you can enjoy your karaoke nights with the Tribit using any wireless microphone or the Tribit wireless microphone. So there you go, guys. Hope we have covered most, if not all, of the features which the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2 comes with. And if you have comments and inquiries about this speaker, please comment down below. You would leave purchase links on the video description if ever you wanted to purchase same speaker that we have here, or you can use the YouTube shopping links which will be available on the video. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified once we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.